Alright guys, we're going to be doing an unboxing on the Stanley black chrome 101 piece toolbox. So I already cut the top open. Pretty good size box. Oh, the stuff we all love, styrofoam. I'll just set it down on the ground and get it out of here. Heavy. Alright. So there she is. There's nothing else in the box. Bang up in the edge right here. Well, that was an unboxing. Alright, so here she is. In here is where we've got the tools that come with it. And more styrofoam. We just have a little caution sheet in about 20 million languages. That's about it. Off the drawers. The drawers actually do feel quite nice. You can push them in a little bit more and they will lock pretty much. Ooh, this is nice. What do you know? They already have mats in them. That's cool. I was actually going to go buy some. Guess I don't have to now. The bottom one's not cut perfectly, but yeah, they both the same. I think they look about the same. This one actually looks cut better. Here's the toolkit. Oh, there's even some up here too. It's pretty much just a mat. But hey, that's good. I don't have to go get any liner to put in here. Cool. Alright, here's the toolbox. Or the tools, excuse me. Just down a tad. And another box. Nope. More cardboard. And here's the actual tool set itself. There. Alright, so here she is. This is the 101 piece tool set. I'll go ahead and get you guys in a little bit closer. There we go, that's better. So here it is, all 101 pieces. It's got both quarter and 3/8 drive. Ooh, that feels nice, actually. Here's the 3/8 ratchet. They are a little oily. Like I said, these aren't the black chrome. These are actually much finer toothed than the other sockets that I have. The 3/8 goes from metric from 6 to 18 in metric, and from looks like 1/4 to 3/4, and in 1/4 inch metric from 4 to 14, and standard from 5/32 all the way up to 1/2. Looks like. Oh no, that's, excuse me, it's 9/16. Also has a little adapter for the screwdriver. It's pretty solid. It's also got these 3 screw bits, which is awesome. Whole bunch of Phillips. As well as some flatheads and the little adapters. Nice. It's also got, does it have Torx? I don't think it does. Still, not bad. It's also got 2 sets of Allen keys, metric and SAE, from 1.5 to 6 in metric and from 1/16 to 1/4 in standard. So not a bad set. Definitely not a bad set. Picked this up at Walmart for, I think, $40. Really good deal. And the tray actually sits really nicely up here in the paw. Change the camera. It actually sits right pretty nicely up there in the top. And there's still a little bit of room up there too for more stuff. I will probably do another follow-up on these. Also, these are actually really good sockets. They're nice and, come on, nice and easy to read. Nice big letters. Really cool. I'm looking forward to using this stuff. And it's still got, I'll slide this all the way over. There's still a good, not that much room on here. Plus both these, so definitely looking forward to it. Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.